Hi Rachel. Have you seen any good movie lately? Oh, hi Sarah. Yeah. Actually, I watched this amazing movie last weekend. It's become my new favorite. Really, what it's called? I'm always on the lookout for something good to watch. It's called Inception. Have you heard of it? Oh, yeah. I have heard of it. But I have not had the chance to watch it yet. What's it about? It's this mind-bending thriller about a thief who steals secrets by entering people's dreams, but then he's tasked with planting an idea into someone's mind instead of stealing one. Wow, that sounds intense. I love movie with unique concepts like that. What did you like most about it? Honestly, everything. The plot is so intricate and the special effects are mind-blowing. Plus the cast is amazing. Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Marion Cotillard. They all delivered phenomenal performance. Wow, that does sound impressive. I'll definitely add it to my must-watch list. So, what's your favorite scene from the movie? Oh, that's a tough one. But I think it has to be the hallway fight scene. You know, the one where Joseph Gordon-Levitt's character is fighting in zero gravity. It's so visually stunning and choreographed brilliantly. I have seen clips of that scene online, and it looks incredible. I can't wait to see it in context. Thanks for the recommendation, Rachel. I'm definitely watching Inception this weekend. You're welcome, Sarah. I'm sure you'll love it as much as I do. And hey, once you have seen it, we can geek out over it together. Absolutely. Movie night with you are always the best. Thanks again, Rachel. Anytime, Sarah. I'm always up for discussing movies, especially ones as mind-bending as Inception. Definitely. It's so much fun dissecting the plot twists and analyzing the deeper themes. Oh, totally. There are so many layers to Inception. It's one of those movies that you can watch multiple times and still discover something new. That's the sign of a great film, for sure. So, besides Inception, what other movies are on your favorite list? Let me think. Well, I am a huge fan of classic rom-coms like When Harry Met Sally and Notting Hill. There's just something about their charm that always puts me in a good mood. Oh, I love those movies too. The witty banter, the romantic tension. It's all so delightful. Exactly, and speaking of romance, have you seen Pride and Prejudice? Oh my god. Yes, it's one of my all-time favorite. The chemistry between Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy is electrifying. Right. And don't even get me started on the beautiful English countryside scenery. It's like a character in itself. Absolutely. I could watch those sweeping landscapes for hours. It makes me want to pack my bags and go on a beautiful British adventure. Wouldn't that be amazing? A girl's trip to explore the English countryside, a Pride and Prejudice. Oh, count me in. That sounds like a dream come true. We could channel our inner Elizabeth Bennet and have our own romantic escapades. It's settled then. After we watch Inceptions this weekend, we will start planning a British adventure. I can't wait. Me neither. It's going to be epic. But first, let's grab some popcorn and get ready for a mind-bending journey through dreams. Sounds like a plan. Let's dive into the world of Inception and prepare ourselves for an adventure unlike any other.